Dear students, how are you all? All are well, fine, and I hope your study is also going on well and doing good your study. And now we will start to the second chapter, The Road Not Taken, Beehive's main course book, The Road Not Taken. This is very interesting poem which is written by the Robert Frost. The poet name is the Robert Frost. Robert Frost is a very good writer, a good poet, and generally wrote about the nature. He was a nature poet. And now see about the poem, The Road Not Taken. What is the message of the poem? That let us see. This well-known poem is about making a choices and the choices that shape us. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply but insightfully about common ordinary experiences. You know about that? The Robert Frost is an American poet who generally writes simply but insightfully but foresighted about the common and ordinary, simple and very simple experiences. It's a well-known poem and it's telling us about how to choose the thing and how to take the decision. We should know about the impact of the decision on our future and on our life, and our decision should be taken wisely. हमारे decision बहुत बुद्धिमानी पूर्वक लिए जाने चाहिए. Now let us see. The two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. The two roads are diverged in a yellow wood. Two roads are going in a yellow wood. Yellow wood is referring here to the jungle. Wood, deep, thick, long, ways, jungle. And here the yellow wood is used to tell the autumn season. वैसे yellow wood autumn season को भी show करता है, and here it is signifying jungle. ये जंगल को signify कर रहा है. The two different roads are going deepest in the yellow wood, dry forest. Yellow wood, dry forest, dry jungle. It is showing the forest. It's deep forest, and yellow wood is used to tell us about the autumn season, where the two roads are diverging inside the poet cannot travel both roads same time, as he is the only single traveler. So he has to make a wise decision, wise choice to choose his way wisely. And so he is looking far to choices his road. And the two roads are going inside the yellow wood in a dry forest in a autumn season. And sorry, the poet is saying, sorry, I am a single traveler. I can't go on both roads. I could not travel both. I can't go both roads. I am a single traveler. So I have to choose a single road and have to make a wise decision. A very intellectually decision to choose a proper way, and look down one as far as I could. And he looked foresighted, and he find both roads are going far deepest in the wood, to where it bent in the undergrowth. And sometime it bent turn. Sometime it bent in the deeply undergrowth, deeply in the forest. Then took the other just as fair, and see another one. Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. And he saw the both roads are going deeply in a same way, bent and very deep in the wood. Then he took another way, and he saw next way, उसने दूसरे रोड को भी देखा. and that is also just as fair. That was like first. Second was also as fair as first and having perhaps the better claim, and he choose the second way is very is good than first, because he took the other when he saw other road just as fair इसी तरीके से and having perhaps, and it may be it's much good, much better to choose this road because it was grassy and wanted wear, because the grass was fresh and grassy, the road was covered with the green grass, and there was no sign of the people who run from there. And wanted wear, there was no footprint on the road, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. There is no sign of the people who is passing from there. No people choose to go from there. No one choose this road before that, and it was fresh and different from the others. In this passage, in this 4-line stanza, the poet want to say, in this paragraph, in this 4-line stanza, the poet want to say that the road was not used before any people, so that it's much better than the other because it was fresh and grassy, and he just want to do different from the other, so that the poet choose this road. And now, though as for the passing there had warned them really about the same, as though as for the passing there, and now the poet wanted choose the second option, second road, because no one had gone from there. And now though as for the passing there had warned them really about the same. The both roads are same. One is used and second was unused. On the second road no one go from there. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on the way. I doubt if I should ever come back. And both that morning equally lay. There are same, everything is same. The sun peeps in a same way on the roads. The sun beams come on the earth in a same way. Everything was there same in a same way. The both that morning equally lay. The both roads have equally type of morning, equally type of everything. In leaves no step had trodden black, but the second road was fresh environment and grass was fresh. There was not, that was not trodden by the foot of the people. The leaves no step had trodden black, but the second roads both that morning lay equally. The morning equally lay. There was the fresh environment. The morning was very nicely. Environment is very nice. In leaves no step had trodden back, and there was no sign of the trodden means rotted, completely crushed. The leaves was not crushed by the people, and road was also fresh. Leaves was also fresh. There was no footprint of the man. Oh, I kept the first for another day. He was not interested to go on the first road because many people used before that, and so he chose a wise decision, and he chose the next way, the second way, yet knowing how way leads on the way, and yet know there he has no experience, and yet knowing how way leads on the way. I doubted if I should ever come back. Yet knowing, he know there is many type of obstacle in the way. It is long, it is going in a deep wood, yet knowing how way leads on to way, yet he knows that it is unused, and he didn't know about more about the way. But I doubted if I should ever come back, and he didn't know he will come back or not, he can return from that or not. And I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverge in a wood, and I took that one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. It's very intellectually, very wisely written, this poem. And the road was comparing our lives. The jungle, the yellow wood is our life, and the roads are decision. The poet is comparing this poem in the human nature, in like with the human nature. How a man take a wise decision and change her life. Take a wise decision and change your life. Take your wisely decision and change your life. How? I shall telling this with a sigh. He deeply breathed in a sigh. I shall telling this. I'm going to tell you something that with a sigh, a deep breathe. Somewhere ages and ages hence. The long ages runs from there. The two road diverge in a yellow wood. We find a life like a yellow wood. We don't know what will happen in the future with this life, but it's all depends on our decision. What is our decision? So that, and yellow wood diverged in a wood, and I took one less travel, and he chose less travel road, which is wanted where, which is not used before him with anyone. No one go before that. उससे पहले उन रोड पे कोई नहीं गया. मतलब make your decision different from the other ordinary people. If you want to do some different in the life and want to be different from the ordinary people, you have to take your decision very wisely and differently. To prove yourself in the life, you have to choose your way very wisely. And I took one less travel. Like that, the poet choose that way which is not used by the ordinary people. Poet ने उस route को choose किया है, उस road को choose किया है, उस road को चुना है जिस पर बहुत कम लोग गए हैं, जिस पर कोई बहुत ही कम लोग जाते हैं. जैसे कि हम जब when we talk about our life, when we compare with this poem, our life, it is signifying the life of a man. Like our life is just like a deep wood. We didn't know what will be happen in the future, but take your decision wisely. If you want to do different from the others, you have to take your decision very differently and wisely and intellectually. And now I took, as the poet said, he took a one less traveled road, and by that has made all the difference. And that my decision has made all the difference, means that has made all the difference. And that my decision, जो मेरा डिसीजन था राह को चुनने का, उस राह को चुनने से मेरा जो डिसीजन राह को चुनने था, उस डिफरेंट राह को चुनने से मैंने साधारण लोगों से हटकर एक नया काम किया है. If you want to do something different from the ordinary people, you have to take your decision. You have to think about your life differently from the others and very wisely and intellectually from the others. This is the poem. Understand? I hope you understand well. Thank you. Have a nice day.